Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we talked yesterday about the mid-band support that had got developed here Thursday and Friday of last week, and that if the bulls were able to keep the pre-FOMC price of 24.36 half converted, if they were able to overcome this potential double top, which I can now take right off the chart, then they would be able to move up to new highs somewhere between 24.50 and 24.60. Well, there you go. That was that. So now what? They didn't engage the upper band. You can see the band's tightening up a little bit. We're at 2.19, which is tight enough for a band ride. So the bears are going to have to push back. Otherwise, what they're going to do is they're going to take all these shorts on a ride up to the 24.60, 24.65 area. And these band rides can last a lot longer than people think. So over on the hourly chart, you can see the two daily mid-band tests. We thought maybe, just maybe, if the bulls wanted to show anything at all, you could get a dip back down to weekly pivot, daily pivot yesterday, get a bounce, which would be another higher low in succession, but they didn't even have that much. They opened up, they pushed down barely off the open. 38 quarter was all you saw, and then it was right on up to 50. They had completed the higher highs by 11 o'clock. They pushed up higher into the close, 24.51. You really haven't seen any retracement at all during the overnight. I mean, back down to 47.5. So daily pivot comes in today, right around 44, 43.92. You still got the pre-FOMC price at 36.5. I think 43 gets a look today. You had a double top there. You had some resistance there. That's going to want to come back and be tested to see if resistance becomes support. And if that's the case, then that's the base where the bulls can build up for a move to higher highs. If you're the bears, what do you need to do? Well, you just added another list of things that you need to overcome. Yesterday, you needed to overcome the mid-band, the weekly pivot, and the pre-FOMC price down at 36.5. Now you have to overcome the mid-band, the weekly pivot, the pre-FOMC price, and 24.43, the prior high. So, you keep adding a layer of resistance pretty much every day. And then, you can't sit here and wonder why the market can't come down. The bears put themselves in the position where there's so much support underneath, so many places for the dip buyers to sit. That's why you can't get a pullback. And you're not going to until you see the bears convert something that matters. And for the last couple of weeks, they haven't been able to convert anything that matters. And it all started right here, trying to convert the most important thing at all, daily mid-band, because as we discussed yesterday, holding daily mid-band automatically puts us in a buy dips market. And until the bears are able to take out all of these layers of resistance and convert the daily mid-band to resistance, you're not going to see a sell rallies environment again. Not on a consistent basis. The bears will have their moments, but those moments will be bought. If you want to see moments where those moments are not bought, where there's small pops that are sold, you've got to get through all of this and convert the daily mid-band, which today comes in right around 27. So your daily mid-band's right here. A very interesting power move down would be to test weekly pivot and the daily mid-band. Seems like a bridge too far today, coming from 47, but I've seen stranger. So that's where we are. Trade what you have in front of you. You can be short, but be short with a plan. Don't be stubborn short. And if you're not getting what you want, you got to get out. If you're long, understand that every move higher could be the last move. So, take your profits, get your risk out, and, ride price and ride this uptrend as much as you possibly can. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll see you for the midday update. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.